Okay, this is the next problem, problem 4, I think it is. So we're giving, it's a projectile problem, and they give us a function for the height. I'm just going to go over here because I wrote a little bigger. So they tell us that this function describes the height of the object, and x is the distance, the horizontal distance. So they tell us that x equals 0 is where this is shot from. So I've drawn my little picture here. So it shoots here, lands over here, following this trajectory. Now, in my opinion, it's actually easier to do question C first, because question C asks at what horizontal distance will the object strike the ground. So that is this point over here. So we can find that pretty easily by factoring this guy. So we just factor out an x, and we see that the two zeros of this function are at x equals 0 and at x equals 200 squared over 32, which would make this part 0. So this right here is the distance that it travels horizontally. Now, question B says, oh, sorry, let's go back to question A. Question A asks, what will this distance be when it's at the highest point? Now that, because the parabola is symmetric, that'll be exactly half of the distance we found in part C. So all we have to do is take our answer here and multiply it by 2, and this will be the x value that gives us the highest h, which is what they ask in part B. So we just have to take this and plug it into our formula for h, and we get the maximum height, and that's it.